Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're here for the very first time, thank you and welcome. So in today's video I'll be doing a mini twist protective style on my natural hair, and I'll also be adding some flat twist at the side. So if you're interested, keep watching. As you can see, I've already done most of the hair. I just left these sections in front so that I can show you what I did. So first off, I'll begin by applying my contour. Now moving on to the section I want to do the flat twist at. So yeah, I'm just detangling my hair right now with my fingers, and then I'll just go in with my brush. So I'll first of all part my hair and work in the little sections, as you can see. So I'll just go in, apply my contour leave-in conditioner or whichever leave-in conditioner you have, and now I'm detangling my hair before I'll go in to do the flat twist. So yeah, I always just go in with the gel just to tame my edges. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So guys, I'm done and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. If you have any questions for me, please just leave them in the comment section below. And also, yeah, one tip, if you want length, you should definitely do this on dry hair or stretched out hair, because I realize when I do it on wet hair, my hair is always shrunken, like the shrinkage is so real. So if you're looking for length, make sure you do it on dry hair. So that's it guys, thank you for watching, bye.